heard how important wearing a mask in public areas or indoors is to slow the spread of COVID-19. Now, since I'm alone right now, I don't need to wear one, but you can bet when I'm around others, I've got it on. You may be thinking, does a mask really make a difference? Does it really help keep me and others safe? Well, let's break it down. You're gonna wanna see this. When we exhale, our breath is saturated with water droplets, kind of like an aerosol spray. Using a high-speed camera, researchers in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Michigan State University examined in slow motion how respiratory droplets move anytime you open your mouth. This is a video of someone just talking, like I am now. I can see why keeping a 6-foot distance from others makes sense. These droplets are really small, but the viral particles they carry are even smaller. The larger droplets fall to the ground, but evaporating droplets get smaller and carry the virus in air currents. So what if there's more force projecting those droplets into the air? Like if you're singing or coughing. Did you see that? Gross! The droplets are pushed even farther and could potentially be carrying the COVID-19 virus, putting you and others at risk of getting it. But wearing a mask captures most large and small droplets, and smaller ones passing through are slowed down so they can't travel as far. So in answer to your question, does wearing a mask really keep me and others safe? Yes! No question after watching those videos. So mask up. Display it, don't spray it.